welcome to Deepikamakeup. Hope you're all doing super awesome. So this is that satisfying video where I show you the products that I used up or that I'm decluttering. This is exciting and I'm all about clearing out. I'm all about downsizing these days. So this video is my favorite. Alright, so we have quite a lot of things to go through. Like, this basket is full and I haven't shared my empties videos. I think I shared in March, or I didn't share this year. I don't remember, but I have been piling these for quite some time now. So let's begin this video without any further ado. So yeah, the first one I have here is this big tub of coconut oil, and this is by Viva Labs. It's the organic extra virgin coconut oil. I get this off of Amazon. Always get this big tub. So I've actually seen a lot of people using the Kirkland coconut oil from Costco, but I heard that there's something wrong with it. I'm not sure. Like, a few years ago I heard a news that it's not the pure coconut oil that they market as, so that's why I never looked into it, and I always get this one from Amazon. But do let me know if you have any thoughts about this, because Costco is much more convenient for me to get, and also I get like a big tub. Let me know if you know anything about the news that I'm talking about. Alright, now moving on, I have some conditioners that I'm throwing away because I have figured out that conditioners are not for my hair type. I don't really need conditioner, and also I don't really like the idea of applying it and waiting in the shower until the conditioner is, sinked into my hair. And yeah, without conditioner my hair is like this, so I might as well will skip this conditioner part altogether. And even if I need any conditioner, even if I feel that my hair is frizzy, or if I need a little bit of product to tame my hair, I usually use the Living Proof Prime Style Extender, and also have Novex leave-in conditioner. Both of them I don't have to wait in the shower, saves my time, works brilliantly for my hair. So yeah, I'm throwing away all the conditioner I have in my stash. Like, I have two here, but then I can easily pull out, yeah, see, there's one conditioner right here. This is the Nioxin conditioner. I used up the shampoo, and I used to have like a leave-in treatment. I think I threw it out upstairs like just now. Nioxin I got to I got this to try out when I had postpartum hair loss for my son. Had a little bit of that left, so I used it up during my daughter's time. Yeah, the shampoo is right here, this one. But either ways, this did not work for me for postpartum hair loss. Like, I just had to go through it. So yeah, used up the shampoo, throwing away the conditioner, and I also have like a full bottle of the leave-in treatment, the step 3 treatment that they give along with this kit. I'm throwing that away as well. The next one I have here, while we are on the note of hair, we have this Dove Fresh and Care dry shampoo in the coconut fresh coconut scent. And this is not a great dry shampoo. I mean, I've used better, so I'm definitely not going to repurchase this one. This doesn't really work that effectively, doesn't pull out oils completely, and doesn't give any volume for my hair. Like, I usually like to use dry shampoo, even like a texturizing spray. So even if my hair is clean, I like to use some dry shampoo if I'm teasing, and give some hold to my hair. So this didn't really work that way, so I'm gonna throw this away as well. Okay, we have another conditioner, and this is the L'Oreal, the Vitamino X. Very popular shampoo for color treated hair. I got this set when I had color a couple of years ago. But yeah, I used up the shampoo. Again, conditioner is left out, throwing it away. I always get shampoo and conditioner. I always use up shampoo way faster than conditioner. That's why I'll have a lot of conditioner. Actually, I have a couple more conditioners in my shower. I just remembered that I need to throw away. Moving on, we have, okay, another hair thing I have. This is the hairspray by Big and Sexy. This is intense hold hairspray. This is an amazing hairspray, works really well with holding. I usually like to use hairspray when I'm doing a bun. If I don't do a bun with my short hair, all the pieces keep coming out, so that's why I like to use a hairspray when I'm doing a bun. Then I have this one step cleansing micellar water by Vichy. This is very nice and gentle, removes my eye makeup, and yeah, it's gentle, it's micellar water. I really like this one, no complaints, although I'm not going to go ahead and repurchase this one because I feel like there are other, you know, cheaper alternatives. So that's that. Then I have facial spray, which is amazing. This is the Mrrebates facial spray with aloe, chamomile and lavender. I love this stuff even more than the aloe and cucumber, which is the green one. I like the lavender one much better because I feel in general I'm a fan of lavender. So the color, the scent, the feel, everything lavender, I love it. So I really enjoyed this one. I do have another cucumber one that I'm currently using, and also I have some more facial sprays that I need to use up before I go ahead and buy another one, but I'm definitely going to put this on my list of the things I love. The next one I have here is deodorant. This is by Schmidt's. This is the Rose and Vanilla Natural Deodorant, and I have been meaning to try this for a very long time, and when I found a pack of 3 for I think $10 or $11 at Costco, I quickly grabbed this one. But after using this one, I don't really like it. I have 2 more of these to go through. The thing is, I mean, it works, it does control my odor, and also it doesn't transfer onto my clothes, which is nice. But the only thing is, it's not a pleasant product to apply. So after some uses, the product actually crumbles. So when you apply this under your arms, it comes off in crumbles. So I literally need to again, wipe off the crumbles, or melt the crumbles into my skin, and then only it works. It does dry out quickly as well, which is another thing that I like. The only thing is the way it applies on the skin. It's hard, it is rough, it comes off crumbles, so it needs a little more effort while applying, but after it's on the skin, it works very well, and the scent is also really good. I'm not going to purchase this again anytime soon. I'm going to try out some more natural aluminum free deodorants and then decide which one I like better. But this one is going to be on my list because it's a safe product other than the ones I've tried before, but I'm still going to give a try with other natural deodorants I have on my list. The next one I have here is a Mama Mio, the tummy rub oil. So this bottle actually lasted me for a very long time, very long time. So I got this bottle during Vishwa's pregnancy. I used it almost over the end of pregnancy is when I started using a tummy rub oil, because that's when I saw stretch marks coming. So that's when I got this. I used it. I used a few months after he was born as well, and then I again started when I was carrying Mayuka. Again I started in my 3rd trimester. So this actually lasted me for a very long time. Now would I say it works? Now if I have applied this way before than the 3rd trimester, maybe I would have minimized the chances of getting stretch marks. But since I started it late, I still have stretch marks, and this doesn't really work with fading the stretch marks, that's for sure. If you already have stretch marks, it's not going to work, but I'm not sure if this is the right product to use to avoid getting stretch marks. But the thing I like about this one is, in general, my skin was very dry during both my pregnancies, and this one actually gave that moisture, that little bit of stretch for my skin, and also it helped with my skin irritation as well, which I really liked. And also every time I smell this, I have this nostalgia about both my pregnancies. This is one of the product that's going to remind me about both my pregnancies. Yeah, the scent, you guys, it instantly reminds me of Vishwas and also Mayuka's pregnancy journey. That's what I really like about this one, and I'm going to miss this scent, you guys. Like, I'm gonna miss this scent. I really like it. I remember, you know, getting out of the shower, applying this one on my belly, and I miss this. All right, moving on. I have a couple of skincare products. So the first one I have here is the serum that I use, and this is my ever so expensive Sunday Riley Good Genes, and this is the all-in-one lactic acid treatment. But this works. This is $105, and you can go through this very easily in like a month or two if you apply it every single day. But every time I apply this product on my skin, it does magic. It clears out my skin, and it kind of, you know, exfoliates my skin. So the next day morning I wake up with a very plumpy, bright, and just a very clear and healthy skin. I love touching my skin in the morning whenever I apply this the night before. It works amazing. So what I did is I got the ordinary lactic acid, so I'm gonna give that a try. I still didn't use it, I still have the bottle left, so I'm gonna give that a try and see if these two compare. But oh my god, this is my top favorite skincare product, and I use this up till the last drop. Like, nothing is left in it. It's amazing. So the next one I have here is also something that I use like a serum sometimes and also like a moisturizer, and this is the Sugandha's White Lotus moisturizer, and I just placed an order for my Sugandha products. That's how amazingly these products work for me, and I'm gonna stick to these products. So these are from India. So I have another product from Sugandha. This is their tea tree evening primrose oil. So I use this as a combination. So I take one pump, or you know, two pumps of this one. I take 1 or 2 drops of this, mix this up, and just press it into my skin. Oh my god, it has actually cleared out my skin so well. My acne is gone now. Right now I don't have this moisturizer. I'm fully done with it, not even a single drop left, and it's been 2 or 3 weeks that I'm done with it, and I definitely miss this one, you guys. And these combination actually clear out my skin. My skin is much more healthy. I think it's been about 2 or 3 weeks that I'm done with these products, and I miss these products, you guys. These are amazing. These actually help maintain my skin to a healthy level. They don't break me out. They're very simple ingredients, very simple skincare, no fuss, very light on the skin, and I'm not really sure how to tell you, but this stuff is amazing and it works amazingly for my skin. And she actually came out with AHA and BHA and also antioxidant serums, so I placed an order for those, and I can't wait to try them out. So amazing products. I definitely recommend you give this a try. If you want to know my detailed thoughts, I will link that video in the description box below. I'm really glad I came across this brand, and if you follow them on Instagram, she puts out very meaningful content about skincare. Like, you will know a lot about skincare if you follow their Instagram page. And also there are so many stories about women trying this out, and especially acne prone skin people trying these out, and they show the before and afters, and it's amazing what these products are doing to the skin. So if you have a chance to try them out, I would definitely recommend giving them a try. And also these are very inexpensive products, you guys. So the next ones I have here, a couple of nail polishes. So this one is the base coat and top coat, Julep base coat. It's the best base coat I've tried. This is the oxygen bonding base coat. Love it. I'm going through the last bottle and I'm done, and I'm going to purchase this off of Ulta. I'm not really a Julep maven anymore, so I cannot buy from their website. I mean, I can still buy from their website, but not at the Maven price, so I'm gonna try and get them off of Ulta. So amazing, I really like it. And also this SE gel setter top coat, this is really good, except after using 3/4 of the bottle it's gone bad. I tried reviving it by adding, you know, what is it, those drops that you nail polish thinner, but it still didn't work. But amazing shine, dries very fast, and it does make my manicure stay on longer. So really like that, definitely repurchasing that one. Then I have, oh my god, you guys have to try this out, you guys. This is the I think this is by Tony Moly. Yes, this is Tony Moly Changing Magic Foot Peeling Shoes. So when I came back from India when I was pregnant, so I went to Ulta to shop for some essentials, and then the lady saw my feet. They were like so cracked and I desperately needed help with my feet, and she actually recommended these. So I'm like, better actually go for a manicure than trying this, but still, since she recommended, I got these. I got a couple of them, so I still have one left. But these are basically like mask for shoes. So you basically apply this, so you basically put this on like socks, and you leave them on for an hour, and you just wash off the gel. And after I think 1 or 2 days, your skin starts peeling off, and a layer of your skin just peels off just like that. You're going to shed like a snake, but just you will be left with amazingly soft feet. This works, you guys. The stuff is amazing. I just love it. I've actually recommended this to a lot of my friends around here, and they ended up liking these as well. So that's that. And finally, I have some makeup. So a couple of mascaras, and these two I'm throwing away. This is the Kevinek one, Blood Rose. It's like a burgundy mascara. It's been a long time, so throwing it away. And then this one is the Essence Lash Princess, and I got a pink eye, if you remember. I think this was when did I get a pink eye? I think in March. So yeah, I'm throwing that away. And then It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. This is my 3rd or 4th one. I love it, so I'm all done with it. And then this is Wet n Wild lip pencil in the shade Willow. All done with it, so throwing that away. And then finally, this is the NARS Larger Than Life Long Wear Eyeliner in Via Veneto. Amazing eyeliner, you guys, but it's so expensive, so I'm not gonna purchase it. But I'm totally done with this one as well. I just have a little bit of it left, but then I'm throwing it away because I had pink eye when I used this, so I'm throwing that away. Alright, you guys, that's everything that I used up. I'm actually at the bottom of using up a lot of things, so next Empties video is also going to be exciting. But this one I really like because I have figured out that I don't need conditioner in my life, and I have thrown out all the conditioners in my life. So I'm only left with 1 bottle of shampoo that I'm currently using, and that's it. No more hair stuff in the house, which is amazing. And doing these empties, I've actually realized that I don't really need to have backup of a lot of things. So I now don't have backups of body wash, I don't have backups of conditioner, I don't have backups of shampoo, I don't really buy perfumes or body sprays anymore, and a few more things I don't keep a backup of, which is amazing. Alright, so that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, do not forget to hit on the thumbs up button, and also do subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram to see my outfit posts. I'm Deepikamakeup right here, and that's pretty much it. I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.